February 28th. Sophie and I have just walked outdoors following her breakfast. She's immediately smelling for heavy metals and nanobiological elements because this is what we walk out to this morning. Yes, let me zoom that out a little bit. That is zoomed out. That is a classical chemtrail sky. Straight across, all wispy and feathered out. Blue skies that direction, where the sun's coming up from. In this direction, whited out. Whited out as can be, blocking that sun from burning me. That's the position that Sophie and I have taken in the interim. While we try and figure out who's doing what and why they're doing it for real, we're figuring that somebody's trying to help us all out. But we're not sure about that. Neighbor's home, and I gotta get my dog who's off leash. You gotta have your dog on leash at all times. Talk to you.